This is the best bike wash in town. It's on the side road. This is the main road here that goes, if you follow that, where that bike and that van went over to White Beach. So it's at the corner of the two main roads. Best spot in town. There's the soap, air blower, shampoo, pressure washer. This is actually 2 stations. I'm going to do a 6-month review on the 2025 ADV, but I bought 6 months ago, so I'm just going to give this thing a quick bath, and then I'll get back to the review when I get home. Won't be anything fancy, I just want to blow some of the mud off. This machine takes the new 5 peso coin. Alright guys, welcome back to the sunny province of Mobile, Cebu. I just wanted to share some information with you. I was going to do a 6-month review on this ADV 160. It's a 2025 model. I bought it last November, so 6 months. Right now it's got 6,100 kilometers on it. I've taken it island hopping a couple times. It travels well. Its competitor is the Yamaha NMAX, which is a 155. Both bikes are great. The reason why I chose this one is it's got a little bit more ground clearance, and the suspension is set up a little bit different. I do come from the dirt bike community per se back in the day, so there's a lot of guys here that ride the Honda CRF 150L. I have no idea what the L means. It might mean lights, but as far as practicality for me, even though I wanted to have a supermoto, it just didn't make sense because I knew I was going to be doing some traveling. So I'll do a quick walk around this thing with you. Obviously, I put a travel box on it. This is great, but one thing I have learned, and I've been through 3 of them, is the importance of this bracket. So when you put substantial weight back here, that puts a lot of strain on this bracket. So I've actually bought 2 from Shopee, which is, you know, the cheaper version of Amazon. Both of those are broke. I've had them repaired and welded. I ran into another American expat who actually had a full-size bike at 450, and he had this K3 rack on his, and it's substantial. It's pretty thick steel. I haven't traveled with it yet, but I can just tell by the quality and the thickness of the steel that I'm not going to have any problem with it. I fill this box up with maybe a suitcase, and then I put another pretty heavy backpack on the back. The other thing I did was I just added a simple phone mount. It's not the greatest. It gets me what I'm doing. Gets me to different places, of course, but usually what I see is guys buy this, looks like a little half football helmet, and actually covers the screen because the glare is pretty bad. So I'll actually open this box for you. Kind of see the inside, and I'll open up underneath the seat. It has pretty substantial passenger foot pegs. And again, these boxes aren't giant. You can add on with this K3 rack. I actually bought this specific one because you can put some side boxes on this too. So that might be later on down the road. But the ADV has plenty of space underneath the seat. And my phone is in there. I keep a little bag of change for the car wash. I was just at the car wash, so pretty deep in there. Keep my registration and stuff underneath there in that rubber band. You can hold some stuff in there. Then this box is just a plastic latch. It is lockable, of course. I've got 2 umbrellas and I can't fix a flat in there right now. Pretty handy to have. I did drill some holes in there too because it got rained. Some heavy rain not too long ago, and that box was full of water. This is the name of that brand, the K3 rack. I think they build those in Manila, but pretty solid thing. My D and V actually are going from the side. You can see that. Good machine. Had it off-road before. Obviously, if you haven't seen some of my videos, some of these roads are pretty rough anyway around here. So I do like the higher clearance and the suspension, the way this is set up. This bike 6 months ago was 166,000 pesos. And that was the cash price on it. They add a little bit more if you're going to put it on a card or something. But that's my 6-month review. If I had to do it over again, I would probably buy the same machine. Honda doesn't make an ADV 350, which has extremely bigger wheelbase and doesn't get around near as nimble as this one. I haven't had any issues with taking a full weight underneath the seat, full box, and a backpack with 2 people up in the mountains, which can get pretty steep up there, but plenty of power. Great versatile machine. I run around town on it quite a bit, you know, at least every day. So I'm not on the highway too much, 4-lane road, but I've had it up to 100 kilometers an hour before on some 4-lane roads. But there you have it, the 6-month review on the 2025 ADV 160. Yes, knowing that I know now, living here in Mobile, this would be I would buy this machine again. Maintenance on it is cheap. They actually put a sticker underneath the seat and tell you when the oil and the lube and stuff is done, needs to be changed. Pretty easy. Takes the mechanic probably a half hour or so. It's cheap. It's like 350 pesos for the oil, maybe 50 pesos for the labor. So, you know, 400 pesos divided by 60, that, you know, you're under 10 bucks for the average monthly maintenance on this bike. So there you go, the 2025 Honda ADV 160.